See how Satan, the king of the devils, traps a man step by step. There was a monk named Barsisa who was very devoted in worship, and Satan set out to mislead him. Satan disguised himself as a pious elder and started performing long prayers near him. Within a few days, Satan impressed the monk with his false piety. Then Satan began troubling a beautiful unmarried girl who had 3 brothers. Her brothers were told to take her to the nearby monk who would drive the evil away. Whenever they brought her to the monk, she would be fine, but back home the trouble returned. After some time, Satan whispered to the brothers to leave her in the care of the monk. The brothers persuaded the monk, left her there, and went away on a journey. Satan came again and advised the monk, "The girl is alone. Go and spend time with her." The monk followed his advice and started visiting her. After some days, they became close, and the girl became pregnant. The monk asked Satan how to hide this sin. Satan told him, "Kill her, bury her, and tell her brothers she has died." The monk did exactly that, killed her, and buried her. The brothers returned, and the monk said, "Your sister has died." But Satan revealed the truth to each brother in their dreams. In the morning, they shared their dreams, dug up the grave, and discovered the truth. The brothers had the monk arrested and brought before the king. In prison, Satan came and revealed that he was behind it all. And he said, "If you prostrate to me, I will save you." The monk prostrated to him. Satan laughed and said, "Shame on you. I fear Allah, the Lord of the worlds." The Quran says, "Indeed, Satan is your clear enemy, so take him as an enemy." Satan never attacks openly. He begins with small whispers, plants doubts in the heart, and gradually leads a person towards sin. Thus, the wise person is the one who recognizes Satan's whispers and doubts, controls his desires, and seeks refuge in Allah. Every person must remember that Satan's final trick is to entangle us in worldly desires and then abandon us, only to stand as our enemy on the day of judgment. So the character of the monk teaches us that no matter how pious one may be, if he abandons caution and follows Satan's steps, he can ultimately fall into misguidance. This story is not just about one monk, but about every human being who, in heedlessness, begins to follow Satan's footsteps. Never forget to subscribe, please. Your own channel, AMMA TinyTales.